So my name's Tom Milnes, I'm a course leader for Postgraduate Studies and I'm an artist and curator. So I oversee the 15 MA courses within the creative sector. They allow for subject-specific input within your field, but also allow for an interdisciplinary approach to your research practice, so you get input from all kinds of practitioners within craft, design, fine art, even creative education and research, and these provide an enriching experience for your study and in your research life afterwards. So when students graduate from an MA programme at Arts University Plymouth, we want them to feel confident within their practice, being able to have experience within research and within their own field. So that comes through working with the live external projects in which they get experience with other collaborators, working with other students, industries, professional practitioners as well. And that allows them to have valuable insight when going out into the real world to develop their skills, but also their knowledge of increasingly changing sector. So when you join us to study an MA course, you'll have the opportunity to use our amazing facilities and have access to things like a high-end photo and film equipment, to our glass-blowing ceramics workshops, up to our digital fabrication equipment that's in our Fab Lab, where you get access to 3D printers or CNC milling machines and lots of other sort of design-based equipment as well. So we also run our external opportunities, such as our residency at RAIN, in which students are invited to collaborate with other practitioners, develop their own workshops to impart their skills within their peers and other practitioners, and develop their work within a different context. There's also opportunity to exhibit within Mirror Gallery with our summer show, and there's also things such as our midstream, in which you could exhibit and show your work externally outside of the university. And all these experiences build towards an extensive creative journey which students go on at Arts University Plymouth. So I think the world needs creatives now more than ever, because society and culture is rapidly changing, partly to do with technology and the way the political system is changing the world. And students and artists and people out there need to think critically about the way that these things are impacting them and to be able to adapt and change in an increasingly changing world.